Good morning, class. Today we also are going to talk about balanced equations and equations that are not balanced. So I'm going to give a couple examples and we're going to work through these. In an equation, you're always going to see an equal sign, and we're going to go to talk about what this type of equal sign means in a second. So a balanced equation means I have the same amount on both sides of the equal sign. So that means here when I do 8 plus 3 equals 11, this equation is balanced because 8 plus 3 I know is 11. And this side says equal 11. So we're going to get into some things that are a little bit more complicated today. What happens when we have two addends on each side? That just means the two addends on each side need to equal a balanced equation or have the same amount on each side. So if I write this 7 plus 6 equals blank, I need to put something here that equals the same amount as this. So I know 7 plus 6 equals 13. And then on this side, I have 8 plus 5. So I have to know what is 8 plus 5. Well, 8 plus 2 is 10, plus 3 more from the 5 is 13. So 7 plus 6 is 13 and 8 plus 5 is 13. So this would be a balanced equation. Let's check another one using multiplication this time. So I need to check if this equation is balanced. So let's do that. I know 3 times 4 is 12. And 6 times 2 is 12. So this equation is balanced because when I do this expression, 3 times 4, it equals 12. And when I do 6 times 2, it also equals 12. So they are the same amount on each side. Well, what is an equation that is not balanced? So it could be something like 7 plus 7 equals 8 plus 3. Well, I know 7 plus 7 equals 14. And I know 8 plus 3 equals 11. So this equation is not balanced. And the way I show that is I put a cross or X out a line through the equal sign to show that. So let's do one with multiplication as well. 8 times 3 equals 9 times 4. Well, I know 8 times 3 is 24, and 9 times 4 is 36, so this would not be balanced. So our goal today is to create balanced equations. So I'm going to go back to the balanced section, and we're going to fill in the missing piece here. So I have 4 plus 7 equals 8 plus blank. I want to make this equation balanced. So I need to look at what the sum is of 4 plus 11. 4 plus 7. There's Miss DeLucchi again giving away the answer. So 4 plus 7 is 11. Then I think in my head, I want to create a balanced equation. So I think what number plus 8 equals 11? So I count on 9, 10, 11. How many fingers am I holding up? 3. So 8 plus 3 equals 11. This equation is now balanced because I have 11 on this side and 11 on the other side. I hope this video explains what a balanced and a equation that is not balanced looks like. You have a Google Slides to do. Make sure you press turn in when you are done. Thank you.